In this video we will show multi-point locking with flush handle. This is the flush handle which is fixed here. This is having fork which gets engaged with this pin, and this is fixed inside the profile. This it tends to operate like this. When it is operated like this, okay, this is the handle. As you can, we have fixed in this demo. You can see here. One more article is used below this. This is called as adapters, which are black, and it is fixed below the S-Pag. It happens to be like this, which is fixed below this adapter like this with the suitable screws. CSK, normal CSK screw is used, are headed. Length of this S-Pag could be from 400, 600, 800, 1200 or 1800 or so. Hope you understood. If you have any questions, let me know on the number which is given along with this video. And this adapter, and this is the S-Pag.